Howdy there, birds and bees. We're gonna be doing makeup. Of what, you ask? Well, if you, I guess I don't really know. If you read the title of this video, then you know what. Let's get into it. Hey, how's it going? Pew, pew. What am I doing with my life? I even have a microphone so we can do like some ASMR, but I don't like ASMR, so I'm terribly sorry for those that don't like it either. Hey. But let's make up. I feel the need to disclaimer before we like get into this that I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna start off with this, which is my color correct palette. I got it from Amazon. It looks like this. And we're gonna just put it places that the internet told me to put it to hide. So I'm gonna use my ring finger, because when I use my ring finger, it's like the softest touch, apparently. My mum was always like, you know, you need to use your ring finger when you do things. This looks really red. I thought this was orange. This is what I get for doing my makeup in the dark most of the time, because I like to hide. That's what the internet told me. It was like, hey, if you've got dark circles, put orange underneath your eyes. Fun fact, did you know, of course you didn't know, like why would you know this, but one of my friends from school tried to add me on Facebook today, so I'm a little shaken off because I remember leaving them on bad note. I remember leaving them on a very negative note, and apparently they don't remember that, so they're trying to add me and I'm like, no bitch, bye. That is you and you're watching this. I don't know if you remember the bad thing you did, but maybe you should DM me and we'll talk about it, if that's you. I usually put this pink on the places where my veins show because my skin is translucent. And then I got red bits. You see this red skin? We're gonna put green on that. We're gonna put green. I don't know if this actually does anything, by the way, but I do it now, apparently, when I'm doing heavier makeup. I usually do this in the dark and I look stupid right now, but that's fine because you know what? I don't have a thing to end that sentence. Some people contour afterwards. Some people can't. I don't know which order you're meant to contour, basically. I got this stuff recently. It's like e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. It's white. It is what? Oh, it's on my floor now. Because every makeup tutorial I watch is like, oh, yeah, then you just take a concealer that's a couple of shades lighter than your skin tone. Bitch, have you seen me? They're a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone is white. Just dab, 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 dab. Does anyone actually know where you're meant to put concealer? Like, and highlight to concealer? Like, does anyone know where you're meant to put highlight? Because I honestly do not know. I've seen so many different videos at this point, and I just put it wherever I think I look darker than normal. I look so stupid. Now you look like this. You're done. You're done. You look beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. I know. Feel the need to also say that I get a lot of my makeup tutorial stuff from drag queens. I feel like their makeup completely changes their face, and I want that for myself because I don't want to look like myself anymore. This is a really cheap, I keep forgetting to show you guys, this is a really cheap concealer stick contour thing. Again, from Amazon. I think it was like £2. Dab, because you don't want to take the orange off. That's what the lady in the video told me. She was like, you don't want to drag, you want to dab. So we're gonna dab under our eyes. Trust the process, right? This is probably complete. People who do makeup are probably watching me right now thinking, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Isn't it? Yeah, Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. So you're getting a rambly me. And as you can see, all the hard work we did at the beginning was completely pointless. Do the foundation first because it's the thing I suck at most. Before it used to be my eyes that I sucked at most. Now it's the foundation. I'm low-key tempted to just literally wipe my face off and start again because of how bad this has gone so far. Like a no eyebrow egg. Oh, my powder, again, is like Revolution translucent powder stuff. Hanon, Mermaid Melody.
According to Mermaid Melody Wiki, fandom.
Yeah, okay. How am I meant to work stuff out from that? Like, I don't... We're gonna use my favorite palette, which is the Morphe Pride palette. I don't know what year it came out in. It came out before the pandemic, but it's got lots of pretty colors in it. We're gonna just wing it. We're gonna experiment. Ooh, someone's at the door. Who could it be? There's no going back because I'm too lazy to go back. Sorry, my son's downstairs right now and the parcel we just got was a soft toy Pikachu backpack. And I'm just hearing him going, oh, it's a Pikachu! It's a Pikachu! Over and over and over again. Okay, now we have beautiful blue extravagant base. We're gonna build onto that. I'm gonna go with a darker color and I'm gonna go in the edges. The way that I learned to do eyeshadow was literally, I don't know what it was, whether it was a video or something, but someone said it's easy to go with three things. You go with a lighter color, your medium color, and your darker color. Darker color goes here, lighter color goes here, and that's pretty much all I do. And I know that there's other ways to do makeup, but my brain just does not comprehend it. It's like, no, this is the way we know, so we're gonna stick with that. Right, I have decided I'm going to cut crease this because I like cut creases. I think they look pretty, and I've only recently learned how to do them. So for a cut crease, I tend to use like a flat brush, just like a flat brush. And my concealer is that fancy Dermacol stuff, the stuff that's meant to cover up tattoos, but does not cover up my tattoos at all. I tend to do a bit in the corner and work my way out, and then while it's still wet, if you like look up, it will imprint on the upper part of your eye, and you'll then see. Always forget the TikTok. Now that I've got my two eyes, I'm gonna go back in with the white because I like to put it over the thing and get it brighter than the yeah. Ooh, that's pretty though. With the one little. No, we don't. Less. No, we're doing what we know today, and then we're gonna experiment with the eyeliner instead. But there we go, that's even enough, and my brush now needs a wash, which, will I wash it? Maybe, who knows? Stay tuned. I probably won't wash it because I'm gross and I don't wash my brushes. I'm just gonna blend the edge a little bit in. I'm gonna give myself blue eyebrows, remember, so stay tuned for that. I keep saying stay tuned. Stay tuned for all of this. Stay tuned. Lots of people on TikTok lately seem to be wanting others to say ara ara, and I looked it up, and I'm pretty sure it's Japanese for my or something like that, like ara ara. So there's my ara ara. I'm gonna pack this goldy color right that big back truck right into this little garage. But this be meant to right in garage. This is it. It's like a glittery dust. Don't breathe on it because you'll blow it away everywhere and nobody wants you know what glitter's like. Sometimes with my eyeliner I will do that batwing thing because of my hooded eyes, but I tend to mainly do those on male characters because it makes my eyes look a little flat and less cat-like, and I'm happy with them looking a bit more feminine today because we're doing a female character for once. I've got my eyelashes. No! Look, bear with me. Trust the process. Don't trust me, but trust the process. We're gonna try something. Okay. This giving me a kind of doughy look. I don't hate it. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it all. What am I doing to my face? Don't let them know. Right, okay. The start of a brow. Okay. Okay. I'm starting to not hate myself as much. Other brow. Remember, brows are not twins, they're sisters, or sometimes very distant neighbors, or, you know, sometimes they don't even know each other, and that's fine because brows are hard. This video is essentially Robin gets into drag. You know, it would be fun if someone actually knew how makeup worked, just like we did a collab. That would be fun. Let's rock this bitch. Down my nose, on my cheekbones. The blush is just a really cheap one that I got free with something, so I'm not even gonna bother. Like, maybe lashes will fix everything. Lashes and lenses. If not, then will this video see the light of day? Who knows? I'm adding sparkles because I'm trying to save this look. Right, some cute galaxy freckles. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to look like Ember Wolf. Beautiful, beautiful Ember Wolf. I should be so lucky. Okay, I am actually not hating it now. We've done it. We've salvaged it. Okay, yes, these are perfect. The downside of lenses like this is they will rotate, kind of like the cat eye lenses, they will rotate, so every so often I'm just going to have to make sure I'm not looking wonky. Oh, but I really like the makeup now. This is why, honestly, most of the time when I'm doing makeup, I'm like, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. And then I'll put in lenses and it's like, boom! Changed your whole face. Did I do it? Is that an eyelash? Did I do the thing? Okay, my battery's going, so I don't need to hurry up now. Oh my goodness, we're gonna just add mascara on the bottom lashes next. Okay, I'm gonna put on the costume. Okay, so I still haven't curled the wig, but I love it. Like, I'm gonna go stand up, bear with me. So, this is falling out. Thank you for coming. I'm glad that it did not turn out atrociously. Please like, comment, and subscribe, all that lovely goodness, and I will see you all next time I can bother to make a video. Bye!